everyone, I have Madhav with me. He's my most special guest in my first podcast. Madhav, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yes.
Yes.
My name is Madhav Raj Singh Khania and I am from Standard 3A and my age is 8.
Can you tell me a nice joke? Anything funny?
Yes.
Say.
एक दिन ऑस्ट्रेलिया में दो भाई रहते थे. एक का नाम है जो और एक का नाम था वो. तो एक दिन जब वो दोनों सो रहे थे तब जो उठा और उसको वॉशरूम जाना था तो वो गया. वॉशरूम में उसको भूत दिखा. फिर वो चिल्लाया, वो जल्दी इधर आओ, देखो देखो जल्दी भगाओ, भगाने में मेरे को इसको हेल्प करो. फिर वो आया, वो इतना डर गया कि वो मर ही गया.
ओके.
इससे कहावत बनता है
जैसे कि?
जो डर गया वो मर गया.
परफेक्ट. ये तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था. वेरी नाइस. एंड हु इज योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड?
I have many best friends but only 3 are my favorite. Their name is Kyra, Kian and Prabhav.
Okay. And what do you like doing with your best friends?
Playing.
And what do you play?
We play several games and we take some video games and play it in real life.
Like?
Minecraft and that all things.
Oh, you
We
play?
also mix 2-3 video games and then we play.
Okay, so you become different characters?
Yeah,
Like in Minecraft and others.
yeah,
And then it is like a pretend play.
yeah.
Where you pretend to be in a Minecraft room and do all the things. Is
Yes.
that?
Yeah.
Wow, that is super nice. Okay, so who is your superhero?
My parents.
Yeah? How amazing! And why do you say that?
Because they support me in every problem and they also love me.
Perfect. And if you have to choose a superhero, a cartoon superhero, who would that be?
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter? Okay. What do you like about Harry Potter?
It is very mysterious, it has magical spells and all that.
Okay. So if you get a chance to become Harry Potter for one full day,
Yeah.
what would you do?
I would play magical spells on everyone.
And what kind of magical spell? Like what would you do with your wand? What would you say?
Like there is a spell, Wingardium Leviosa. When Harry Potter plays that spell, he can fly anything he wants
Okay. All right.
and do more. It is the light giving spell, and if it is very dark and I can't find the switch, so I can play that spell.
Okay. And what would you fly at home or with your friends?
I would fly इनका सबसे पसंदीदा चीज और छुपा दूंगा.
छुपा दोगे?
हाँ.
उसको उड़ा के?
हाँ, मतलब ऊपर रखे रहूंगा.
ओके, ताकि किसी को दिखे ही ना. Oh, perfect. So, do you like playing indoors or do you like playing outdoors?
Both.
Both. What do you love playing outdoors?
I love badminton and I am also learning karate.
And what are you good at? Like, what are you
Dancing.
best? Dancing. And which song?
Toba Toba.
Toba Toba. Okay. So for example, to dream about, if animals could talk, yeah, which animal would you talk to first?
If I want to talk, I would talk to squirrels.
Squirrels? Really? And why so?
Because I can disturb them anywhere because they run very fast and I can't see them in every place.
So what will you talk? What is the first thing that you'll tell the squirrels?
To tell a story.
To tell a story? Yeah, I think in all the kid stories there is always a squirrel or a picture of a squirrel in all the books, isn't it?
Yes.
And what would you like to become when you grow up?
I have two choices and I can't think what should I be.
Okay, that's okay.
One is actor and the second one is scientist.
Wow, these are two absolutely different things, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why an actor?
Because in acting we also dance. So
Yeah.
and I also love acting and also dancing. So
Would you want to take acting classes to learn more about acting?
yeah, I would like to.
Why a scientist?
Because when I was small, I took many things from my house and then mixed it.
Okay, to do or to make something out of it.
Yeah.
So what was the funniest experiment that you did?
With chalk powder.
Chalk powder, what did you do?
I mixed salt, oil, water and chalk powder and then I realized they are not mixing only.
Yeah, because of oil,
Yeah.
right? So what did you do with all the mixture?
I mixed them and I then threw them.
Okay. All right. What is the most naughtiest thing that you have done ever? मतलब जिसके लिए मम्मी ने शायद कान पकड़ा हो माधव का कभी ऐसा क्या किया था?
ये तो हमेशा ही होना है.
हमेशा होना है. अरे एक let me know. Tell something, the naughtiest thing that you have done.
वो नोटिस था लेकिन गलती से हुआ था और उसके लिए डांट नहीं मिला था.
Okay.
बाथरूम में एक साबुन का केस पड़ा हुआ था. गलती से हाथ लग गया टूट गया.
Okay. फिर कोई बात नहीं.
फिर मम्मी को डरते बोला कि हो गया है लेकिन कुछ नहीं हुआ.
कुछ नहीं हुआ. ठीक है, that's okay. तो छोटा मोटा है, तो कुछ भी नहीं है. This is nothing.
मतलब बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा किया होगा तो कुछ बचपन में किया होगा. मेरे को उतना याद नहीं है अब.
याद नहीं है. अभी माधव बहुत बड़ा हो गया.
जब मैं होऊंगा 3 साल का तब तक मेरा मतलब पूछो मत. तब तक जो मेरा बदमाशी का लेवल था ना पार हो गया.
रियली बहुत ज़्यादा. अभी धीरे धीरे एज के साथ माधव थोड़ा मैच्योर होता जा रहा है.
अब भी हो रहा है. मेरे को नहीं मालूम क्या हो रहा है.
So Mama, I think Madhav is more naughtier than what he is saying. So why don't we have you here now? Madhav, now we have Mama here. ठीक है. And I think she is going to say a lot of things that you have not told me. So Mama, tell us the most naughtiest thing Madhav has done till date.
Okay, he was very naughty when he was small. Yes, he said right that when I was 3 years old, I used to be very naughty. So I would tell an incident around that time. So it was like गर्मियों का दिन था एंड घर पे सब अपने अपने काम में बिजी थे. एंड हम वो घर का राशन ऑर्डर करते हैं. घर का राशन ऑर्डर करके एंड वी हैड केप्ट ऑल द थिंग्स इन द स्लैब. जो टॉयलेटरीज वगैरह सब स्लैब में, बाकी सब किचन में सामान आ गया था. तो वी वर सेटिंग अप द किचन. सडनली वी हियर दिस नॉइज फट एंड वी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. दौड़ के हम लोग सब बाहर क्या. So Madhav has taken the whole bottle of oil, he's opened the cap and he has had a nice oil bath with oil dripping all over his body. वो पूरा oil का pool बन गया. वो जितने बार खड़े हो रहे हैं कुछ करे पत. Again he's trying again पत. Then I thought कि उसको पकड़ो, उसको पहले clean करो, क्या करो, हंसो, रो, डांटो क्या.
हाथ में भी नहीं आया होगा.
हाथ में नहीं आ रहा है, इसको पकड़ रहे फिसले जा रहे हैं. That was very funny.
Oh God. Oh God.
That incident I will never forget. That was one of the most notorious incidents he has done.
अच्छा, अगर मुझे इफ आपको घर में वो सब कहते हैं कि माधव यू आर द बॉस टुडे,
कभी कोई नहीं बोला है.
आई एम गिविंग यू एन ऑप्शन. You have to just think and pretend that Madhav, you are the boss of the house today. So what will you do? What are the 3 things that you will change that day?
मतलब my mom only allowed me like 2 to 3 hours in my friend's house. So in that day, I can go 5 hours.
Okay, that is one. What are the other 2 things that you want to change?
I would do a sleepover
Huh? Where?
in my friend's house or my house.
You can call them also.
Yeah.
Now that you are the boss, you can call them to your house also.
Yeah.
What do you like to eat otherwise? What do you take for tiffin and what do you enjoy eating the most?
I want to take that, but it should be more gadha type.
हाँ, अच्छा.
Paneer or roti.
You want to take?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, अच्छा. So the sabji is a little gravy, so you don't.
हाँ,
It
तो-
becomes a little messy in school.
और
ऐसा.
थोड़ा सूप भी जाता है.
Oh, yeah,
तो
yeah.
गाढ़ा गाढ़ा रहेगा तो ठीक रहेगा.
अरे वाह, very good. So your favorite is paneer?
Yeah.
That is good.
Two are my favorite. Brinjal and paneer.
Brinjal?
Yeah.
I am hearing this for the first time. सही में?
सही में.
एंड ब्रिंजल का कौन सा कैसे ब्रिंजल का भरता या
सारा जो भी दे दो.
कुछ भी?
कुछ भी.
अरे वाह. If you see that your little tiny brother is crying, what do you do?
If my little tiny brother is crying and my mother is doing anything and she's listening, I just scold her to tell he is crying, why are you not keeping him quiet?
Yeah.
That.
Yeah, so you
Because I
felt
feel-
bad.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And sometimes I only cry when he cries.
So sweet, Madhav. So I heard that you also like stories. You also like to listen to a lot of stories and you also like to tell a lot of stories. Is that true?
Yeah, I also now write stories.
You also write your own stories now.
Yeah. So I have written one story and the second story I am working.
Mm-hmm.
So first story's name is The Mystery of the Strange Hamlet
Okay.
and the second one is The Journey to the Center of the Earth with 3 friends.
Whoa. Amazing.
First, I am writing that contents and some that.
Hmm. And who are the main characters in that?
In first story, there are 2 main characters.
Hmm.
One is a scientist and one is a boy who stole a gun,
Mm-hmm.
and the gun was like there was a hole in which you will tell something that I want to turn this into goal. I want that it should talk, so that we can tell,
Hmm.
and then when we will shoot at that object, so that will turn into gold or that we want.
The wish that
Yeah,
you
the
want.
wish.
Perfect. Very, very mystical, very, very mysterious and very, very sci-fi. Right? What do you like to wear usually What colors are your favorite?
3 colors are my favorite: white, black, and gold.
White, black, and gold. Aha! And why gold?
Because it was very shiny and I like that.
But how will you wear gold? Like, how do you wear? Do you have gold color t-shirts or?
No.
Then,
I just like it.
aha, Mama, this is a hint. This is a hint that when I grow up, I have to get a lot of gold. Do you like wearing like bracelets or chain or anything on special occasions?
No.
No, not tried yet.
I have tried but not inside outside.
हाँ.
तो जैसे कभी ओकेजन में कपड़े के ऊपर कुछ ऐसे माला बांध लिया तो वैसा.
वैसा. But no, obviously you go to school every day, so it doesn't make any sense to wear gold. So, Madhav, do you want to give a special message to all your friends who are watching you currently?
Yes. My favorite color is also gold, and I also want you to be gold.
Perfect! That is so cool! And with this note, Madhav, we'll say a good big bye-bye to everybody. And thank you so much for coming.
Bye and thank you so much.
Bye!